Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Detailed Recipes channel. Traditional spinach borani will be made in this video, a super meal for healthy eating. If you are going to make spinach borani, or spinach with yogurt, follow this recipe. You can get the best results by making small details and some additions for a spinach appetizer. Let's briefly see the ingredients to make 3 plates of spinach borani. 1 bunch of spinach, about half a kilogram. 3 medium onions and 2 garlic. I use 300 grams of homemade solid yogurt. Hot pepper paste and some liquid sunflower oil. Some chili pepper. Some black pepper. Olive oil. Rock salt. 1 large dough bread. I recommend the cast iron pan for healthy meals. First add the yogurt to the cloth bag, let the water drain for 1 night. Cut the roots of the spinach into thick stems. You can use the thick stalks for other food, such as an omelet with spinach. Chop the spinach, chop the stem parts a little finely, the leaf parts may be a little bulky. Add spinach to deep bowl and rinse with cold water. You can wash it before chopping, no need to wash 5 times, get rid of the soil on the leaves in this way. I washed it twice in water without waiting too long. Finely chop the onions. Finely chop the garlic. Add olive oil to the casting pan. Add the chopped onions and fry until golden brown. Add chopped spinach. Spinach may come too much, in this case add in 2 times. You can close a lid to allow steam to build up. Add salt. Add some black pepper. Add the large pieces of chili peppers to avoid too red color. Cook spinach until the water is drained, it won't take much time. Add your cooked spinach to a large plate and let it cool a little. It is enough to wait until the other operations are done. It does not need to be ice cold if you will serve immediately. There was a lot of solid yogurt that I strained before, You can mix it with a little more watery yogurt. I don't want it to be too solid yogurt, add rock salt and mix. As you can see, creamy, slightly fluid but not a watery yogurt. You can make delicious crisps on your meal with the dough bread. Fold the dough bread and cut into small pieces. Separate what might be stuck together by blending. You can fry these breadcrumbs in the oven or in a pan. Add some oil. Add the chopped bread. You can add some red pepper powder and some black pepper. Stir until crispy. This takes about 10 minutes. Add pepper paste and oil, fry a little. Mix spinach with yogurt. The preparation of spinach with yogurt may vary locally. For example, in the region where I live, some bulgur is added to spinach. Add the Spinach Borani appetizer to the plates and open the middle a little. Add butter with tomato paste. Butter is not used here because butter can freeze on yogurt. Add lots of breadcrumbs on top. I've seen fried chickpeas or peanuts added to it in some areas. This detail is enough to take a simple yogurt spinach to the next level. This empty plate you see can tell you everything. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. See you again in a new video. Goodbye.